Time now to take a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Wednesday. And boy, what we saw today weather-wise is what we've been getting until going way back into the first part of last week. A lot of fog and low-hanging clouds. You can just barely see some of the mountains as we look outside our weather window this afternoon. But boy, we've had this same low cloud inversion for about 7 or 8 days now. And it's going to continue for one more day. You can expect your Thursday to be cold and cloudy once again. Once again, a carbon copy of today. Patchy, freezing fog. We might even get a little freezing drizzle tonight, and we'll talk more about that coming up. Also coming up as we move into the upcoming weekend, we will warm up, but we're going to have a good chance that we're going to see some rain showers here in the Wenatchee area and even some light wintry precipitation in parts of north central Washington, especially the Okanagan Valley. So you folks up around Omak and that area, also I think Waterville, you could see a little bit of light wintry precip, and that's all happening this weekend. Today's high temperature, look at that, 32 was our low, 33 our unofficial high temperature. We warmed up 1 degree throughout the day today. 36 is our normal high, 27 our normal low, 55 our record, and that was our record high rather, and that was set in 1975. Record low 5 degrees back in 1984. We're still at 6.04 inches for the year, which is about 0.6 of an inch behind where we should be for this time of year. Sunrise 7:32 and the sun set at 4:11. All right, getting you into those Thursday temperatures. Once again, a carbon copy of today. 36 is Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy, and then 35 and 36 up through Eniat, Chelan, Wenatchee at 35, Omak 36. We'll be at 33 and 34 for Leavenworth and Cashmere. The cool spot tomorrow, as expected, up in Lake Wenatchee with a high of 31. Tonight, we can expect some freezing drizzle. Here's just a little area of low pressure and a small trough off the coast. High pressure to our east, but inside this cloud deck that we've been seeing, that's where we could see some of that freezing drizzle. For Thursday, still high pressure in place, mostly cloudy though. We'll stay cool still once again on Thursday with high temperatures in those mid-30s, and then things will begin to break a little bit as far as this weather pattern by Friday. Still a ridge of high pressure over us, but a low begins to push in, and that'll bring a cloud deck into our area late in the day on Friday. The good news, we're going to warm up into the upper 30s, back about where we should be for this time of year. Here we go. Saturday morning, rain is likely becoming scattered in the afternoon, so clouds in the afternoon. We'll see another little warm up on Saturday as well, with highs into the low 40s to kick off our weekend. For Sunday, the return of high pressure, and that will stabilize our weather. And the good news, it's going to clear us out a bit too. Partly cloudy on Sunday. Should be a nice day to end our weekend with highs in the mid-40s, which will be almost 10 degrees above where we should be. Kicking off our next work week, nothing but clear skies throughout Washington state. Our temperatures will remain on the mild side for this time of year. Highs in the low 40s to start our work week next week. On Tuesday, just some high clouds out there. Still our ridge of high pressure up and over the Pacific Northwest. And you can see just some high cloudiness, as I mentioned, with high temperatures on Tuesday in the upper 30s. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. 31 overnight tonight, 35 tomorrow. We're going to stay mostly cloudy on Friday. Warm up just a touch though, 38 for your high temperature. Morning rain likely on Saturday with mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon and 43. And then I'll tell you, a nice end to our weekend on Sunday. Partly cloudy by Sunday afternoon, and look at that temperature, 46 degrees. Sunshine on Monday and 43 with just some high clouds Tuesday. High temperature then 39. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.